Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about letter writing. We are also going to learn about types of letter, format of an informal letter, and how to write an informal letter. So let's begin. So what is a letter? A letter is a form of written communication between two persons or two parties on a particular topic, matter, issue, incident, etc. It serves the purpose of documentation as well. A letter is basically a way of communicating the information, and that information can be both formal or informal. Now there are two types of letters based on the purpose of writing. Informal letter, which is also known as personal letter, and formal letter, which is also known as official letter. Let's discuss them one by one. Formal letter. Formal letters are written to school authorities or newspaper editors. It includes business letters and job applications. A formal letter is written in a formal language and follows a certain format. Such letters are written for official purpose to authorities, seniors, etc., and not to personal contacts, friends or families. So the next type of letter is informal letter, which is also known as personal letter. So informal letters are written to our friends, parents, relatives and known ones. It is also a method of informal chatting. Informal letters are used for casual or personal communication. It is written in a personal fashion. Informal letter can be used for some reasons like conveying messages, news, congratulating someone, thanking someone, asking questions and so on. So now we'll learn about parts of informal letters. There are 4 parts of informal letters. First is your address. Second is the greetings. Third is the body. And fourth is the closing. Let's discuss them one by one. First is your address. The top left hand corner of the letter holds your address and the date. See here, in this letter, on the top left corner, we have your address followed by the date. There should be no comma after the line of the address. In most friendly letters, your address is not necessary because the person you are writing to is close to you. Such persons usually know your address, so there is no need of writing address. Next is the greetings. Now this usually begins with dear. Like if you are writing to your friend, then you will write dear followed by your friend name. Like dear Rahul, dear Prerna. And if you are writing to your uncle or aunt, then dear uncle or aunt. Now see here, after date we have written the greeting, dear uncle. Let's see next. Next is the body. Now the body of the letter is the information that you are writing in your letter. It holds the reason for which you are writing the letter. Now you have to divide the body into paragraphs. Each paragraph will contain only one point and the discussion on that point. See here. Here in the body we have written, I am fine here and hope you are also fine. I want to thank you for the beautiful gift which you have sent on my birthday. I liked my gift and it will help me to be punctual. Once again, thank you for the gift, but I missed you. Next is pay my regards to aunt. This all comes under body. Now the next part, the closing. For the closing, the first word is capitalized. Means the first word always be capital letter. Some examples of closing are your friend, yours truly. Here we have used yours loving. Your name comes under the closing, which can be said as signature. Now this was your format and the parts of your informal letter. Let's see a format. See, on the top left corner we have written the sender's address. Whosoever is writing the letter will write his address. Next, followed by the date. Then the salutation or the greeting. Dear mother or dear friend or dear uncle. Followed by the body of letter. After the body of the letter comes closing followed by your name. So this is the format for an informal letter. Now let's see an example. Here is a letter to your uncle thanking him for birthday gift. This is an informal letter. Why? Because you are writing it to your uncle. So first is your address, followed by the date on which you are writing the letter, then the greeting, dear uncle, then the body, I am fine here and hope you are also fine. I want to thank you for the beautiful gift which you have sent on my birthday. I liked my gift and it will help me to be punctual. Once again, thank you for the gift. But I missed you. Pay my regards to aunt. Now, closing. Yours loving, followed by your signature or name, Maya. So this is your example for an informal letter. So your home assignment is write the letter on page number 141 in your grammar book.